case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The year 2019 saw a distinctive case in U.S. legal history, United States v. Daniel, confronting the issue of marriage fraud. The pivotal factor being the court's requirement for the government to unequivocally demonstrate that the accused knowingly entered into a fraudulent marriage for the sole purpose of evading immigration laws. What led to this unusually complicated situation was a marriage fraud conspiracy where U.S. citizens were recruited to marry Nigerian nationals with the primary aim of gaining legal immigration status. Playing main roles in this scheme were Folarin Alabi, Justice Daniel, and Letrishia Andrews, all of whom were eventually convicted. The conspiracy was eventually brought to light by concerted efforts from U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services and the Department of Homeland Security. They proved the fraudulent nature of these marriages through documents, interviews, and surveillance, ultimately charging Alabi, Daniel, and Andrews with multiple counts related to marriage fraud and conspiracy. While the lower court had affirmed the guilt of all three accused, Alabi decided to challenge his conviction. His main argument rested on the belief that there was insufficient evidence against him, and the jury had not been instructed properly. His appeal, however, did not find favor in the court. Daniel and Andrews also voiced their discontent concerning conditions of their supervised release, which were similarly rejected by the court. The Court of Appeals reaffirmed the decisions of the lower court, conceding that the evidence against Alabi was sufficient. They permitted the joint trial for Daniel, deeming it to be non-prejudicial, while Andrews' condition of supervised release prohibiting psychoactive substances use was also upheld. Through this relentless pursuit of justice, United States v. Daniel upheld the rule of law and demonstrated the functioning of the legal institutions against immigration violations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.